Hey everyone, welcome back. So there's this new challenge that's been going around, and it's where people have been covering their faces in rhinestones or googly eyes, like arts and crafts kind of things, and I've been requested to do that, so that is what I'm gonna do today. So I picked up like a whole bunch of different rhinestones. I think the ones I'm gonna be using are these, but who knows, I might try the multicolored ones. I did learn, however, these kind of ones are all one sheet. So I have scissors and I have cut them up into tiny little strips, and I'm just gonna fit them to my face, and that way it'll make it a little bit, I guess, easier. We're just gonna do this. So here we go. There's these things. Ooh, I'm kind of excited now. I'm also gonna zoom in a little bit so you can see here. Should have left the tape on before I measured these. There we go. I can be hired for the NFL. I cannot tell you how weird this feels right now. Oh, that's better. I must have hooked an eyelash. I guess I'll just do this and check back in a little bit. Alright, I need to put my hair up. This is a lot harder than it looks, guys. I am running out of stickers. There we go, that's my last sticker. This is super creepy and I cannot move my mouth. Ooh, I'm already falling apart. Oh, gross, gross, gross. Ew. This stuff smells awful, by the way. This kind of has the same sensation of when you pull off fake eyelashes, because it feels just amazing once it's off your face. Ew. Oh, that pulled a hair. Okay, so you may notice I look a little different right now. I'm still wearing the same shirt, but I look different, and that is because it is technically a different day. But I was just editing this video, and the rhinestone face mask that I previously just had on as you're watching this just freaked me out. It looked really weird. It looked like I was like some creepy serial killer. And I decided, you know what? I really wanted to use those rainbow shimmery rhinestones to begin with, so I figure I'm doing a part 2 because I want to use those, which are these, and I want to look less terrifying for myself. So here's part 2. Alright, first I'm gonna pin my hair back and I'm gonna zoom in again. That's out. Alright. Ooh, I just dropped it. Don't eat it, don't eat it. Boo is right down here and he's just like went after it. Can we just talk about this highlight for a second? Look at that. Woo. Alright, so I'm going to continue to do this and I will check back in. Ow. I'm already loving this more than the last one. Yeah, the other one I looked like a serial killer. This one I look like some fairy unicorn mermaid creature. Butterfly. They're falling off. Oh my god. Gravity is not your friend when doing this. Alright, I think that is the best I'm going to get before they all fall off my face. So there we go. Those are my 2 rhinestone face masks. Yay! Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you have not already, because that would be awesome. And if you would like to get notified when I post new videos, click that little bell somewhere down below, and that will let you know. And I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hello! Blah, blah. Did anybody expect the vampires in Twilight to look more like this in the sunlight, or was that just me? Roar. Ooh, that was all on my face. Editing. I can't speak today. Previously slop. Shame shirt to share. Right now. Oh my god. I look like a really cool magical fish. They're dropping to the floor. This is harder than putting them on. Basically, this is the human bedazzle challenge. There we go. Now I resemble a human being again.